Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Technowithshiv. Today I am going to explain about how we can insert a dataset in Jupyter Notebook. So let's go start. First of all, I will open a Jupyter Notebook and it's opening. Yeah, it's open. Here you can see this is our Jupyter Notebook interface. Here you can see there are two sections, upload and new. So I am going to click on upload to upload a dataset, and here you can see rainfall in India dataset is present in my computer. So I am going to click on this to upload, and it is uploading. uh, it is uploaded successfully. Here you can see rainfall in India.csv file is uploaded successfully in our Jupyter notebook. And second is how we can import dataset in Jupyter notebook. So let's go start. Click on new button, go through Python 3, and it's loading. It's open, and I'm going to writing import function to import our dataset. So I will writing here import numpy as np, and import pandas as pd, and click on run button. And next is how we can read a CSV file through import function. So I will writing here data equal to pd dot read CSV file name is I'm going to open a file. What is our file name? Here you can see our file name is rainfall in India.csv. I'm going to copy from here and paste here, and click on run button. Yeah, it's working. Data dot info. Yeah, here data dot info present dataset information. In this video you can see how we can import a dataset in Jupyter notebook, and how to import Numpay, Pandas, and how to read a CSV file, and how to find a data information through command. So This video is very helpful for you and another student. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and share my content to another student. It will be very helpful for each other. Thank you. Thank you.